Hello everyone. So here we will solve a word problem on algebra. This is about money that is spent and money that is lost. So it's actually Ben's money. So we will solve this problem, and it says Ben lost 525 on each of the 7 consecutive days in the stock market. If he had 17,773 before his loss, how much does he have after his loss? All right. So what we need to do then is we need to know how much money does Ben have originally before he lost his money, all right, in the stock market. All right. So of course we need to find how much did he lost actually. How much did he lost, right? That's the total lost. So Ben, it says in the problem that Ben lost 525 on each of the 7 consecutive days. So that would be 525 each day, right? 525 each day. And you multiply it by the 7 days. So his total loss would be 525 times 7, and that would total to 3,675. That would be, so he lost 3,675 in total. So that's what Ben lost. So let us now find the money. So find the money after the loss. All right. So he started with, okay, let's go back to the problem. It says in here, so if he had 17,774 before his loss, how much of after his loss? So before he lost his money, he actually had 17,773 before his loss. And then what would be his remaining money after he lost the amount of 3,675. So find the money after the loss. So he started with 17,773. So he started with 17,773. And of course, you subtract this number, which is the money that he lost in the stock market. So you simply subtract what he had before and what he lost. All right, and make sure to subtract carefully, because based on my experience with my students, they're so fast because they think they already got the answer, so they're so fast in using the calculator in subtracting, and then they made mistakes. So be careful when you subtract. So when you subtract it, so he has lost this one. So 14. So the answer is 14,098. So that is the remaining money, right? So he now has a remaining money of 14,098 after 7 days, after losing some money. So what is left for Ben is this amount. All right, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you again in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, you take care.